So hi, we are back to solve this math question. We have two equations here and we are asked to find the values of what? X plus y. First, this is a simultaneous equation of two variables. With first equation, 2x plus 5y equal to 6. Second equation, 4x minus 3y equals minus 12. And we are asked to find x plus y, meaning we need to find the value of x and we need to find the value of y before we add them together to get the answer. But how do you solve such a question? First of all, you know it's a simultaneous equation. You have to name your equations. So we have the 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 6. You can name it as equation 1. And you write the other one, 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 12. You name it at your equation 2. And basically, you know we have two methods in solving simultaneous equation. Either we use the elimination method or the substitution method. In my previous video, I explained what the elimination method means. But just a quick one. The elimination method, as the name eliminate, is just a method of deleting one variable at a go. Let's say we will eliminate x, leaving y so that we can find the value of y, or we eliminate y, leaving x so that we can find the value of x. So with these two equations, if we are to use the elimination method, and we want to eliminate x, here we have 2x and here we have 4x. If we make this one to also be 4x, we can decide to say equation 1 minus equation 2. So if here is 4x, 4x minus 4x, it will give us 0. So that we can find the value of y, since we are now going to have only a single variable in the two equations. So how do we make this one 4x? We can do that by multiplying equation 1 by 2. The value 2, not equation 2. So if we multiply 2 by the whole of equation 1, we will have 2 bracket open 2x plus 2 bracket open 5y. We are just multiplying the equation by 2, which is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 6. So here this one will give us 4x plus this one 2 times 5y will give us 10y, which will be equal to what? Minus 12. We can name this as what? Equation 3. So now equation 2, we have 4x, and equation 3, which we made from the equation 1, we have what? 4x2 here. Or better still, we can make this one equation 1.1, because that is equation 1 that we transform to this. So now we have these two. We can simply say that equation 1.1 minus equation 2, so that we can eliminate. We are doing this just to eliminate the x so that we can find y. That is the elimination method. So if we are following equation 1.1 minus equation 2, meaning we'll have this minus this, this minus this, and this minus this. So we will have 4x minus 4x, right? And we have 10y plus 10y minus 3y, which is also already having minus sign, so minus 3y, which will be equal to minus 12 minus 12. Let me go to this side of the board and continue. So here, when we come back, 4x minus 4x, it will give us 0, plus 10y minus 3y. This 2 minus will change to positive, so we'll have 10y plus 3y, which will give us 13y. This one is equal to minus 12 minus 12. This minus will turn to positive, so it means minus 12 plus 12, which will give us 0. Right? So here we'll have 13y is equal to 0. We need the value of y, so we divide both sides by 13. Divide here by what? 13. And this will imply that y will be equal to 0 over 13, which is 0. So we now have the value of y. It's going to be easy for us to find the value of what? X. Back to this equation, equation 2 or equation 1 or equation 1.1, we can simply substitute the y value into any of the equation. So let's say put y is equal to 0 into equation 2, and our equation 2 was here, which was what? 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 12. So anywhere we see y, we put 0 there. So 4x minus 3, this will be 0 because there's y here, is equal to minus 12. So 4x, this will be what? 0 automatically. This is x. Let me write it for 4x. This will be 0. So this is equal to what? Minus what? 12. We need the value of x. So we divide both sides by 4. Divide here by 4. This 4 will go away with this 4. And our x will be equal to minus 12 over what? 4, which is equal to minus 3. So we now have the value of x, which is minus 3, and the value of y, which is 0. But the question was we should find x plus y. So our x plus y will be equal to, our x value is what? Minus 3 plus our y value, which is equal to 0. So our x plus y will be equal to minus 3 plus 0, minus 3. So this will be our answer for this question. If 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 6 and 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 12, find x plus y. Our x plus y is minus 3. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe.